The whole idea of sustainable mining is that you are projecting 15, 20 years, however long that mining operation is going to take place, you're already projecting into the end state what that end state's going to be. The regulatory regime that's in place will only get stricter. Most of the companies that are now beginning these operations, if they can do better than what the regulatory requirements are, they're not only planning for the future, they're also in many cases finding economic efficiencies that they wouldn't have found otherwise.
The idea behind sustainable mining is that you would be able to extract the mineral resources from the earth without harming the environment.
It's really trying to say that we can do mining in a way that is sustainable and that it doesn't have such environmental effects that it becomes a negative in society.
Not only does it make good environmental sense, it also makes really good economic sense. The cost to remediate, if you look at what those costs are as you're designing the mine, working with Saskatchewan Research Council and the experts that we can bring to the table, then you're going to be able to reduce what your footprint's going to be and what your remediation costs are going to be. And in fact, in many cases, helping reduce the cost of your operation, not just your remediation costs.
The point of it is to try to maximize the processing and try to get the most value out of that, out of the minerals that are there in terms of the products. But at the same time, trying to reduce the amount of water that's used in the process, and thereby the amount of tailings and the amount of effluent that's coming out of the process. Because ultimately those tailings and the effluents have to be disposed of or contained in some way.
Sustainable mining is about minimizing the footprint that a mining operation will have on the ground. It's never we'll never get to a point where it's eliminated, but it's really about minimizing that footprint.